Recently, President Yoweri Museveni directed all resident district commissioners to ensure that all depleted wetlands and swamps are restored across the country. During the meeting that was convened by the Hoima Resident City Commissioner to create good working relations between pastors and government, it was observed that most churches within the Hoima East division were built in wetlands. Hoima RDC Badru Mugabi and his deputy in charge of Hoima East Division, William Kasigazi, have therefore advised pastors whose churches were built in wetlands to find other convenient areas
that are in wetlands to relocate to safe zones. They get out of that buffer of a wetland.
So technically, we want our technical person to go and help them, to tell them that if you are near the stream, you're supposed to be out of that stream for these meters.
However, some pastors have accused the city authority that went on with approving their plans as well as issuing land titles in wetlands.
Haro abalisa baendeze kumbeka ebyombeko byabo harungi baba kayimi baba gamba awo toina kumbekawo.
Baitu na abantu bamanyi omugaso gw'ekkanisa omu community nsonga nkuru abantu abamu abayimukirira ekkanisa osanga ayina emibazi yerunde yalesere kuroga abantu.
Security operatives also accused pastors against using the vulnerability of believers to extort money as well as turning them into slaves, especially young girls and orphans.
Those children, those people have their rights. They need to be protected. Be conscious. Be conscious. Because you are looking after them, then you make them slaves at your church.
However, Pastor Robert Musazi noted that sometimes people complaining of noise pollution found churches already in the place.
Are church ezisangire zombekeri zina na system zazo ebyoma bakozesa. But then inosanga ngwa arunde akabanzaho aho hati yatamya kwija abantu nabo nibagura nibombeka. Obayikaire timanyire tokende bagikengere hanyuma nibone bagam mukututokire.
Other issues that were discussed included security relations, support to government programs, especially parish development model, emyoga, among others.
We want these people to encourage their believers to use the advantage of what government has put in place, especially the roads and the construction that is going on at the airport, and also the process of oil, especially in Bulisa and Hoima district.
We want the proprietors of churches to have economic empowerment strategies in their flow, such that they stop only receiving blessings, but they also receive knowledge that will emancipate them from poverty.
The meeting comes at a time after one of the pastors in Hoima City was arrested following a video that went viral while whipping ushers in the church in Kasigazi East, Hoima West